poppin', what's good? Yeah.
Okay guys, so you can't really see us, but we're at the Cummings right now. Well, first off, welcome back to the channel.
Yeah.
We're at the Cummings, like I said, and there's gonna be fireworks.
Yeah, we literally got the perfect view. Because we're sitting here, right? And the fireworks are going to be like right over there.
Yeah.
There's like barely any trees. No people.
Don't mind her, she looks like a rag doll. Yeah, there's music, and Courtney's about to come.
I love this song.
And yeah. Or do you want to go up there now, and then when Courtney's here, we can come back and get her?
Yeah.
Okay. Callie is like a freak show and loves music and like, well, that's not why she's a freak show, but she loves like dancing in public. So I'll just bring her. Give me the blanket. So yeah. She's just gonna probably want to just go and dance. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, it's lit over here.
No recording me.
Okay, she said no recording. We're not gonna record. Okay guys, so Courtney's here. Callie's over there. Courtney's here. We got our blankets. And we got Courtney. Hi. Courtney's here. Courtney had to get dropped off because there's no parking. Yeah.
Is that Callie I see?
Yeah.
Hi, Callie.
Callie doesn't want to be recorded because she knows she looks like a rag doll.
Callie, I feel that though.
You're recording
Do you
dancing.
see anyone here?
No.
I'm so scared to see people here.
There's like it's mostly like families with kids. So yeah, once the fireworks start, then I'll come back and show y'all. But because the music's really loud, we're just gonna chill.
9 o'clock.
Boss is here.
What?
Thank you.
That's boss is
How you like one?
Awesome. Yo, did somebody get Dylan ice cream for his birthday?
Oh, that's good.
We need 2 more ice cream and I need 6.
He's right next to us. I want the bug spray. I'm getting it alive.
Okay, get that out of the bag.
There's smoke everywhere.
I love fireworks. Okay guys, so we got ice cream. Kelly, what did you get?
I got the cookie dough. You want it?
I got brownie and chocolate chip and fudge with M&M's on top, and Courtney.
I got watermelon sorbet.
So yeah, it's really good. I love ice cream.
Hi.
But I'm gonna enjoy our ice cream, and I'll probably be back.
She has to be back.
Okay guys, I'm home. Hold on. Oh, I'm home. Oh my god guys, look at my room. It's so dirty. Sneak peek. dirty. My room's dirty. A mess, but it's fine. I'm home. I just said like 500 times. But yeah. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna chill in my room, FaceTime my friend. That's really it, and edit the video. Look how gross this is. That looks disgusting. It looks like your fingers after you're in the water too long. Nasty. But yeah, I'm gonna chill now, get comfy. I don't have work tomorrow. So yeah. This was a short video, just a little come to the fireworks with us type of time. So you guys could be with me and enjoy the fireworks as well. If you enjoyed this video, even if you didn't enjoy this video, just subscribe and like. Let's get to 40 subscribers. We're almost there. We're 5 away. So just hit that little subscribe button. Literally just click this. Like, that's all you need to do. We're just dropping videos after videos now. And we're about to just get started with these lit videos. Then we're gonna go to school and have even better videos. We're just gonna do great. We're getting there. We're almost to 50, and then 100, then, you know, on and on and on. If you have any video ideas, make sure you comment down below. If you want to say, hey, what's up? Comment down below. If you want to say anything, just comment down below. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Ain't no drama, we're just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls.